Minecraft error code 0x80131509 has rocked many of the hardcore fans, with the launcher being unresponsive when started. Whereas some users reported they see the error while trying to install Minecraft Java Edition through the latest official installer. In this guide, I'm going to show you some possible fixes for the issue mentioned, so just follow through. Method 1. Checking internet connection and restart computer. To counter the problem, always keep an eye on the speed of the internet and check the router. If you feel the problem persists, simply reboot your device and wait for the problem to be gone. Also restart the router and modem completely to solve the glitches or bugs causing the problem. Alternatively, check the internet speed by opening a few tabs in any browser of your choice and looking at the performance. However, if the problem persists, contact your ISP immediately and get it done from their end. Method 2. Check and finish Windows updates. The problem related to Windows updates could also relate to showing Minecraft error code 0x80131509. The simplest fix would be to finish any pending update. Method 3. Change to compatibility mode. Right-click on the old launchers.exe file and choose Properties. Find the Compatibility tab and check the option of Run this program in compatibility mode for. Set the compatibility for Windows 8. Save changes and exit. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstalling Microsoft Launcher. Any outdated Minecraft launcher can crash with the newer variant and showcase installation problems. If you indeed have such a launcher, it is best to uninstall them and install the newer variant. It is best to download the latest launcher of Minecraft official website once you have removed the outdated launcher from Microsoft Store.